Welcome to another VeChain update. Today I'm on the 4-hour chart and I want to talk about the short term first and then I will talk about the long term as well. So VeChain, in my opinion, has bottomed right here in this second wave, and yeah, right now we are starting to go in a third wave to the upside, which should, in my opinion, get to the, let's say, about 64 to maybe 50 cents level, so somewhere around this region, before going in a fourth and a fifth wave to finish the cycle. So VeChain is looking pretty good. I mean, from this low right here, we are up about, let's say, 68% in only like 12 days, which is very good, and it's actually a lot compared to some other altcoins. So what is going on right now? Why have we been going sideways for like a week? Well, in my opinion, this move right here, this whole move, is only a first wave move to the upside. I mean, it has 5 waves, which means, yeah, it's a first wave move. And now we are in the second wave of only this first wave right here. So in this second wave right now, in my opinion, we only have an A, B, and now we should get a C wave. I don't think this second wave is complete. Also, check out how the price reacted to the 0.618 extension I have on the chart. I mean, yeah, it reacted to it, but we have not seen a huge bounce to confirm that the second wave is in. So for now, I still expect another low, and I honestly expect the price to actually go below the 0.618 here, maybe for just a short wick before starting the third wave to the upside. So ideally, we should go below this low right here at 0.2915 cents before going in the main third wave. Now, currently we are consolidating below the bull market support band, and as you can see, we actually got rejected by it right here. And yeah, I mean, that's why the second wave started, and that's actually the best time to start a second wave. So right now VeChain is actually looking good, and I expect the price to actually go above the bull market support band maybe even next week if the second wave finishes here. If the second wave decides that it wants to put in more lows, then that's going to be okay, because we are not even at the 0.382 extension that I have right here. So yeah, there's still some time to hit new lows if we really want to go and test some other lows. But yeah, I mean, the 4-hour RSI cooled off. We are currently at like an RSI of 45, which is good, because here we actually went overbought when we were in the bull market support band, so that's good. And yeah, I mean, short term, I remain bullish, of course. I see no reason to be bearish on a chart that looks this healthy. So yeah, right now I'm expecting a third wave to the upside, which ideally, let me actually give you a target for that. So this target zone right here could be a very good target zone for the third wave of the first wave. And this first wave, like I said, is only the first wave of the main third wave that I have right here. So yeah, you can expect the price to go to, let's say, 4 to 5.5 cents in the third wave in the short term. Now, like I said, I cannot confirm that the second wave right here is M, so yeah, if we get another low, don't be surprised. You know what, let me actually put in the sub count just so you understand what I'm saying better. So I believe the first wave topped here, and now we'll get a second wave move, maybe to test this 0.382 extension right here, before going in a third wave somewhere in this region right here, then a fourth and a fifth to finish the first wave right here. And ideally, I want the first wave right here to go above the previous main first wave, to confirm that we actually bottomed here and that we will not get another low. Let's also go on the daily chart for a bit, and yeah, the daily chart is also looking kind of good. So we almost got to the overbought territory. We went to an RSI of like 68 on the daily, and now we are cooling off and we are actually below the yellow line right here. So if we do somehow drop below it, I mean, we are already below it, but if we somehow manage to get to like an RSI of 45, then that will most likely confirm that the second wave right here is in. If the price doesn't go below 0.267 cents, if it goes below that, then we might get another low in this second wave right here. But for now, I see no reason why that could happen. Let's also check out the weekly. So on the weekly RSI, we had some kind of move in June, and we actually closed below the yellow line on the RSI, which at that moment, like I said in my previous videos, I thought that was bearish because that does not really going below the line during a bull market is not really that bullish. But now that we are back above it, I really want to see the RSI actually close above the yellow line. So if we do get another low in this small second wave, you cannot see it properly, but you know what I'm talking about. If we do get another low, then we really do not, we cannot afford to go down much further than the 50% extension I have right here. If we do go below it, then the RSI will most likely drop below the yellow line on the monthly chart. And if we close below it again, that might be bearish. So keep an eye on that. Back to the weekly chart. The RSI here is looking pretty good actually. It's currently trying to stay above the yellow line, and it might actually bounce. So if the RSI actually goes to the yellow line and touches it, that might be the confirmation that this second wave right here has bottomed. And also look at this. We are at an RSI of about 45 on the weekly, and the price is like, let's say 3 cents right now. And back here when we were at an RSI of like 79 and we were overbought, the price was like 5.49 cents. So this means that this third wave move to the upside that I think will happen will most likely go above the highs right here to actually get to these levels. And now that the RSI has cooled off from this high right here, this leaves a lot of room for the price to explode to the upside without having to cool off because of the RSI. So yeah, this is the perfect time to actually get a big explosion to the upside. Also, just to remind you what my predictions for the bull market are. So as a bullish top prediction, I have 47 cents. And as a very bullish top prediction, I have 75 cents. And in my opinion, we are already at like 3 cents. So of course, getting to 46 cents is going to be difficult. But in my opinion, it is achievable. Don't forget, bull markets are crazy, especially in crypto markets. So yeah, there's a lot of upside potential in my opinion. Now, of course, that's not financial advice. You should do your own research. But yeah, also don't forget the market cap of VeChain is about $2.5 billion. So to get to that 50 cents level, we would need to do like a 20 to 25x from where we are at now. And that would put the market cap at around, let's say, $50 billion, something like that. And let's check out where the market cap topped in the previous cycle. So in the previous cycle, the market cap topped around, let's say, almost $17.5 billion. So could we expect to get 3 times the market cap we got in the previous cycle in this cycle? I do not see why that could not happen. Let's also go back on the daily for a bit. So I want to remind you what this zone right here actually is. So this right here, in my opinion, is where this third wave right here will top. Now, of course, there's still a long way to go until we get there. And we first need to get this first wave move to the upside and the second wave move. But if we do get above this high right here, and let's say we top right here, we could go up to like, let's say 12 to 16 cents in the third wave right here before getting a fourth and a fifth wave to only finish the main third wave. It can actually get rid of some stuff here, so it's not that complicated to understand. So yeah, things are looking good, but like I said, we need to actually get a move above the bull market support band and then a move above this previous high right here to confirm that something is actually happening. Because this move right here that we're getting right now could just be a corrective move to the upside, and yeah, we could fail at any minute and we could get another low. And if we do get another low, I don't want to see that, because we already went below the 0.786 support level I have right here. So if we do get another low, we'll get below it even more, even further, and we will invalidate this first wave move to the upside, and then, in my opinion, the bull market will be over. The invalidation point, like I said, is at about 0.013 cents. So there's still some room to the downside in case we want another low, but I do not really want to see another low. The structure is pretty much complete in the second wave. I see no reason why we would get another low. But if that happens, then, I mean, it could happen, but I don't want to see it. Anyways, that's all I have for today. I hope you enjoyed. If it did, please check out my Patreon, like this video, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.